Hello guys, so today we have a quick tutorial regarding Sony A7C Mark II with the Dji Rs3 Mini. So we will balance this guys again. Without further ado, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now guys. See, you have already the plate. Like this. Okay. Lock. Then actually you lock all these three area guys. So now we will unlock and start balancing. Okay. And this area. Okay. Yeah. It's already then lock. Okay. Okay. Up. Still heavy on that side. So I need to backward. Okay. So let's do it here. Okay. We can use this one for balancing. Make sure it's also lock. Lock. And lock. Okay, so it's still heavy. Unlock this area. Okay, so it's locked. Then unlock this one. Now it's steady. Steady. It's heavy. So I need a little push forward. Then lock. Okay. 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 Then last part will be here. So unlock this area. Okay. So this is heavy. Push down here. Okay. Okay. Then lock. And unlock this. And you're good to go guys. Let's try. Start. And when you see it's green, meaning it's balanced perfectly, guys. Yeah. So you have a perfect balance with the A7C. Again, I recommend just make it calibrate. Start calibrate. It will calibrate. Okay. 40%, 60, 80, and 100%. Then confirm. And go back and done guys, you have a perfect balance for your Sony A7C Mark II. It's perfect size for the Ronin RS3 Mini, so it's perfect combination. It's all compact. Your stabilization is compact, and your camera also is compact. So I think that's it for today guys. If you want to check the price and availability of this product, the DJI RS3 Mini and the Sony A7C Mark II, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay. And shoutout kay Harvey sa likod ng camera.